everyone, and welcome to another video of my cooking channel. In this video, we are going to make some egg-free, dairy-free, and gluten-free cupcakes. And what we'll need is some baking soda, some white sugar, some gluten-free flour, 1 cup of water, some gluten-free and dairy-free chocolate chips, some vegetable oil, and some cocoa, and some baking vanilla. And we needed to measure out 1.5 cups of the gluten-free flour. And with measuring the flour, you want to pour some into the measuring cup and then level it out and then adjust it until it's at the measurement that you need. Right, and then we need 1 cup of white sugar. And then we need 1/4 of a cup of the cocoa powder. And with measuring stuff out, if you make a little bit of a mess, then that's okay. And it should look like that. And then we need 5 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And there's 1. Two. 3, 4, and 5. Then we need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we need 1 teaspoon of the baking soda. And then we need to add the 1 cup of water. And then we need to mix all of it up until it's mixed up as good as you can get it. Once the dough is all mixed up, it should look something like this. And then we're going to add the chocolate chips. And with the chocolate chips, you can add the amount that you want to add. and we're going to mix that up. What is a tree's favorite soda? A root beer. Chocolate chips are mixed into the dough. It should look something like this. And then we are going to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And with this recipe, you can either make it into cupcakes, muffins, mini cupcakes, or a cake. And you can choose which one that you want to make out of it. Once it's all done, it should look like this. And then with this next step, we will need the dough and some cupcake liners. And you don't have to use the cupcake liners, but if you're not going to use the cupcake liners, you can take the cooking spray and spray each one of these. And then with these, we're going to place these into holders like this. And then we are going to take, I need to get a metal spoon. And then we are going to take a metal spoon and then put some dough onto it and then put it in the liner like this. And try to get it right around 3/4 full. And depending on the type of gluten-free flour that you use, it will rise a little bit. And then it should look something like that. And then we are going to do that until all these are filled up. And once all these are filled up, it should look something like this. And try and get it to where they all have about the same amount of dough in them. And with the item, we are going to bake it in the oven for about 30 to 30 minutes or until the item is golden brown. Once the item is all done baking, it should look something like this.